In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Zoho Forms. Whether you're working on a simple survey or a more complex data collection tool, getting the date format right is crucial for clarity and consistency. So, let's dive into the process with easy-to-follow steps to help you customize your forms just the way you want. To begin, you'll want to open up your Zoho Forms and head straight into the form builder. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customization options for your forms. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is click on the Settings tab. It's your gateway to controlling various aspects of your form, including, of course, date and time preferences. When you're in the Settings section, you'll see several options, but the one we're focusing on today is General. Under General, you'll find Date and Time. This section is specifically dedicated to configurations concerning how dates and times are handled in your form, which is exactly where we need to be to adjust your date format. Now, under Date and Time, you will see an option for date format. Zoho Forms provides a list of supported options here. Selecting your preferred format is straightforward. Click on the list, browse through the different formats available, and choose the one that is most suitable for your needs. This step is vital for ensuring your data is consistent and aligns with your specific requirements, whether for clarity, reporting, or compliance with local or international standards. In addition to changing the date format, this section is also where you can adjust other related settings. If your form is used across different regions, you might want to change the time zone to reflect the local time of your target audience or team. Matching this setting to the correct time zone can help avoid any potential confusion about when forms are submitted or deadlines are set. Moreover, you can also adjust the calendar language, which can be very useful if you're dealing with an audience that speaks a language different from your default setting. These additional settings, alongside the date format, give you a broad range of customization for handling date and time information. So, there you have it. A simple guide to changing the date format in Zoho Forms. It's a small change that can make a significant difference in how your data is interpreted and utilized. Remember, these configurations are not set in stone, so feel free to revisit and adjust them as the needs of your projects evolve. By customizing your date format, time zone, and calendar language, you're ensuring that you're gathering data in the most effective way possible, enhancing accuracy and meeting the needs of your audience or team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building.